Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Lux Oro EA for MT5. This expert advisor is specifically designed for gold trading, and according to the developer, it is intended to be attached exclusively to the XAUUSD H1 chart. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that Lux Oro is developed by Sayed Davod Nikoi Tana, and the current version is 5.81, updated on May 31st, 2026. The purchase price is listed at $299 with rental options available for 1 month at $49 and 3 months at $79. Looking through the description, one of the main points highlighted by the developer is that Lux Oro focuses on technical analysis rather than AI-based or neural network approaches. The goal here appears to be providing a transparent and structured trading methodology specifically for the gold market. The developer also states that the EA is fully customizable and can adapt to different broker instrument naming conventions. This can be useful because many brokers use slightly different symbol names for gold, and having flexibility in setup can make installation easier. Another feature mentioned on the page is broker independence, meaning the EA is designed to work across different brokerage environments. Support for hedging is also listed, which may be important for traders whose accounts allow hedged positions. As I continue through the product information, risk management is another area that receives attention. The EA includes a trail stop feature designed to help protect open profits while also aiming to reduce drawdown exposure. Features like this can play an important role in trade management, particularly when market conditions become more volatile. The recommended setup provided by the developer is very straightforward. Lux Oro should be attached only to the XAUUSD H1 chart, and the recommendation is to use a low spread standard account. The description specifically references brokers similar to IC markets, although traders should always evaluate broker conditions independently. Now let us move into the backtesting section. As we review the historical testing results and chart activity, it's important to remember that backtesting is designed to evaluate how an expert advisor would have behaved under past market conditions. Historical analysis can provide useful insights, but it should never be treated as a guarantee of future performance. So, looking at the provided result here, this is 2022 to 2025, and we can see initial deposit of $1,000 turns to a final balance of $60,000. And here, this shows us initial deposit of $1,000, total net profit 51,220.31. Total trades taken were 311, out of which 256 were profitable, giving us an 82.32% win rate. All right, and I can also see that the largest profit was 1,029.6, and the largest loss was 870.22, and the average profit was 226.97, while the average loss was 125.15. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is kind of fair, is good actually. Is close to 1:2, even though it's not exactly 1:2. All right, and let's also see what we have here. Okay, now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester so we can see how this EA performed in 2026. We're testing the Lux Oro EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we're testing it over the past 5 months plus from the beginning of 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling for a level of accuracy. Looking at the backtested results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was negative 5,952.28, and the total trades taken were 16, out of which 5 were profitable, giving us a 31.25% win rate. That's quite low. Largest profit was 1,039.84. Largest loss was 1,027.78. Average profit was 976.7, while the average loss was 985.07. So the risk to reward ratio on average is very close to 1:1, but the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Now, as we review the historical testing results and the chart activity, it's important to remember that backtesting is designed to evaluate how an expert advisor would have performed under past market conditions. Okay, don't forget that, please. So as we go through the completed testing periods and chart history, I'm focusing on how the EA behaved over the tested period rather than individual trades. Since Lux Oro is specifically designed for gold on the H1 time frame, the historical analysis should always be viewed within that intended operating environment. I would also recommend running longer term testing yourself whenever possible. Broader historical periods can provide a more complete picture of how an EA responds across different market conditions and volatility cycles. Moving over to the chart activity, we can observe where positions were opened and closed throughout the testing period. Now, beyond that, I don't want to make assumptions about the exact entry logic or strategy rules because those details are not fully disclosed in the marketplace description. The safest approach is to evaluate what is visible in the testing data while avoiding conclusions that aren't directly supported by the available information. Finally, looking at the historical testing performance, keep in mind that results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the Lux Oro EA is presented as a dedicated MT5 expert advisor focused exclusively on gold trading on the H1 time frame. The marketplace listing emphasizes technical analysis, broker flexibility, hedging support, customization options, and trail stop based risk management. As always, I encourage traders to perform their own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.